One of the most frequently asked questions people that are new to running Facebook ads have is, what type of budget should I use when running Facebook ads? And the answer to that entirely depends on what your goals and objectives are. If you go into the Facebook Ads Manager, you can see there are a couple of different options available for you to set a budget in the first place. For example, you have the choice between a daily budget and a lifetime budget. So you can decide that you may want to spend either $10 a day or run a campaign for $500 across a set period of time. You may have a particular budget which you want to get, say, 5 leads a month. You may have a budget where you want to get 5 sales a day for your $200 product. Identifying that and then setting the budget accordingly that way is going to give you the best determination on what budget is suitable for you. As a general rule of thumb, I would recommend, if you are wanting to do market research and get an understanding of what people respond to best when creating content, having a budget of between $2 to $5 a day is a great start. If you're more serious in wanting to generate leads and sales for your business, you generally want to have a budget between $10 and $30 a day to begin with. I hope you found this video useful. Hit that subscribe button if you did, and have a fantastic day, everybody.